Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all pre-winter diet plan for weight loss, with the help of which you'll be able to lose 7 kgs in 2 weeks very easily. Now we can all sense that chill in the morning and evening time during these times. So this diet plan will help you lose weight during this time. Yes, this is the best time they can lose your weight, and at the same point it's very nutritious and immunity booster as well. Recently, my lots of clients followed the diet plan for immense weight loss and they were able to see great transformations for themselves. And so can you. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number and we can start your weight loss transformation with me. So without any delay, let's get started with pre-winter diet plan to help you lose 7 kgs in 2 weeks super effectively. Beginning with the early morning drink, which will be ginger turmeric tea. Now the recipe for ginger turmeric tea is right here. In a pan, I'm adding here approximately 1.5 glasses of water. To this, I'm adding here haldi. Now this is fresh amba haldi, or you can even call it green haldi, which is the purest form of haldi available in the market. All you have to do is simply grate it and use it. Now this fresh haldi is 100 times much better than the powder haldi that you get in the market. Along with that, I'm adding here ginger, very important for anti-inflammation. And the same point, I'll be adding here 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, that is saunf. Now why saunf? It is great when it comes to your acidity levels and at the same point regulates the pH levels in your body. Let it simmer for approximately 2 minutes and your ginger turmeric tea is ready for early morning drink. Have it sip by sip and enjoy. If you cannot have this because of any reason, then you can always have 2 glasses of lukewarm water in the morning to detoxify your system as well. Now let's proceed towards our breakfast options, for which I'll be giving you 2 options. The first one is 1 toast with veggie omelette. If you're an vegetarian, you can prepare your omelette with 3 egg whites and lots of veggies like mushroom, capsicum, zucchini, onion, tomato added to your veggie omelette. Along with that, you can have 1 toast to keep you fuller for a longer time of the day. If you cannot have this, then you can always have, if you're vegetarian, you can always have 2 to 3 boiled egg whites, or you can even have veggie egg sandwich. Along with that, you can have tea or coffee, but always make sure to consume no sugar to your tea or coffee in any manner. Second option is oats banana pancake. Now the recipe for oats banana pancake is already upon my channel and it's very easy to prepare. Here is a complete recipe for you to check out. It contains banana, oats, protein powder and yummy flavors. In a bowl, take 1 banana, mash it up, and try to prepare a circular flavor to it and taste oats pancake recipe. Now let's proceed towards our mid-morning snack, for which I'll be giving you 2 options. The first one is you can either have 1 cup of green tea. Along with that, you can have 10 soaked almonds. If you cannot have this, then you can always have 1 glass of coconut water as your mid-morning snack. Now let's proceed towards our lunch option, and as usual, before our lunch we'll have apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water. 30 to 40 minutes before your lunch, add 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of lukewarm water. Mix it well and have it 30 to 40 minutes before your lunch. Now what exactly does this do for you? Detoxifies the system very quickly, boosts the metabolism, reduces blood sugar levels or any kind of insulin spikes in the system. So always make sure to consume this drink before your lunch. If you cannot have this, then you can always have 2 glasses of lukewarm water 30 to 40 minutes before your lunch. Works the similar manner. Now let's proceed towards our lunch options. The first one is going to be very easy and very simple at the same point. White chana, black chana or rajma chaat. Now why is this option available for your lunch? Because the weather is not too warm, not too cold during this time of the day. So you can always have a very good high fiber and high protein meal. White chana salad or black chana or rajma salad is one of the best options. All you have to do is add soaked and boiled white chana or black chana or rajma as per your own preference. 150 grams of it is good for your day. And the same point, add cucumber, tomato, lettuce, onion, whatever you want to add to this. Now the recipe for my Mexican salad or rajma salad is already upon my channel, and here is a complete recipe that you can follow. Now, second option for your lunch will be you can either have egg or paneer bhurji plus salad and plus curd. And you can have egg bhurji prepared with 2 eggs, or you can prepare paneer bhurji with 70 to 100 grams of paneer added to it. Along with that, you can have salad as per your own preference to increase your fiber intake, and along with that, you can have a good full bowl of curd as well. Now let's proceed towards our mid-evening options. The first option is tea or coffee as per your own preference. Along with that, you can have 30 grams of roasted peanuts or 30 grams of roasted makhanas. But make sure they're not salted or any kind of spices are not added to over it. Second option is you can have green tea or matcha tea for your mid-evening snack. Along with that, you can have again 30 grams of roasted peanuts or 30 grams of roasted makhanas. Now, why matcha tea? 1 cup of matcha tea is equal to 10 cups of green tea. So the antioxidant level in this particular tea is much higher than any other teas. So you can always have this drink for your mid-evening snack to reduce your weight very quickly. And now let's proceed towards our dinner options. For dinner, I'll be giving you 2 options, very healthy and very fulfilling as well. We'll keep good dinner so that we don't feel hungry for the rest of the night. The first option is zucchini or ghee chila. Now all you have to do is prepare chila in the regular form that you do with besan or with suji, but the key here is to add lots of zucchini grated or ghee, that is lauki grated, to the chila batter. Tastes amazing and at the same point is very fulfilling as well. You can have 2 chilas prepared out of this batter. Along with that, you can have coconut chutney or mint chutney and some raita for taste. Second option for dinner will be boiled sweet potato with lemon added over it. Now all you have to do is, sweet potato is very readily available in the season these days. Boil it in a pressure cooker and toss it up with some lemon juice. Have it and you'll enjoy this particular dinner option for your winters as well. Now let's proceed towards our bedtime drink, which is very important when it comes to your constipation as well and to boost your metabolism for the entire night, for which we'll be having chamomile tea to reduce the stress levels of the entire day and to help you reduce weight fast very quickly. Along with that, if you are suffering from constipation of any type, you can add 2 drops of badam rogan, or that is almond oil, to reduce your constipation to a great level of extent. Have this bedtime drink if you're suffering from constipation. Along with this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail. And for personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss transformation with dietitian Sheena and begin the journey. This was your pre-winter diet plan for weight loss to help you lose 7 kgs in 2 weeks very easily. With this diet plan, you will not feel hungry for the entire day and you will see great weight loss happening. Follow me on Instagram to stay updated for all the upcoming weight loss diet plans, special client transformations, what I eat in a day, and how my clients lose weight each and every day without fail. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to be notified for all the upcoming weight loss diet plans, recipes, and lots of tips and tricks. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.